Hello students, in today's video I am going to discuss Cramer's rule in order to solve simultaneous system of equations where two equations are provided. Just like a1x plus b1y is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y is equal to d2. So in order to solve these two simultaneous system of linear equations, how we can apply Cramer's rule, that is my aim here. So students, if I will be writing the determinant capital D, that will be a1 a2 b1 b2, and if I will be writing the determinant d1, that will be d1 d2 b1 and b2, and in order to write the determinant d2, it will be a1 a2 d1 and d2. Basically what I have done here, determinant D is formed by the coefficients of left hand side of this equation, like a1 a2 b1 and b2. That's it. And how d1 is formed? d1 means this first column is actually replaced. I mean to say, this a1 a2, this is replaced by d1 d2, and second column is as it is. And if you will observe this determinant d2, here this second column is replaced by d1 d2, but first column is same, like a1 and a2. So students, how we can get the values of x and y? There is a formula. X is d1 upon d and y is d2 upon d, and along with one condition, that determinant will not be 0 because it is given in the denominator. So students, in order to create a better understanding of this, one question I am going to solve. So question is like, solve 2x minus 3y equal to 7, 7x minus 3y is equal to 10. So what we can do here, we can compare it with the given system of equations, like a1x plus b1y is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y equal sign, it is a2x plus b2y is equal to d2. So in by comparing this system with this system, I will be getting a1 and a2. This will be 2 and 7. I will be getting b1 and b2. That will be minus 3 and minus 3. I will be getting d1 and d2. That will be 7 and 10. So by utilizing the formula of this d is actually, as we can see here, we can observe a1 a2 b1 b2. So that will be determinant of 2 7 minus 3 and minus 3. That will be equal to 15, which is not 0. Now in order to get the determinant d1 means this particular formula, d1 d2 b1 b2. That is actually d1 d2 is what? d1 d2 is this 7 10, and b1 b2 is minus 3 minus 3. So this value of d1 will be 9. And if I will talk about the determinant d2, that is actually this formula, based upon this formula, a1 a2 d1 d2. So that is a1 a2 is what? a1 a2 is just like 2 7, and it is 7 and 10. Ultimately it will be minus 29. So basically we can apply now the final formula, that is about x and y. So x is d1 upon d, that is d1 is 9 upon 15. Ultimately it is 3 upon 5. And if I will talk about the value y is d2 upon d, that is minus 29 upon 5. So what are the values, final values? X is 3 upon 5, x is so final value is like x is equal to 3 upon 5 and y is minus 29 upon 5. So students, in this video I have discussed this type of system of linear equations. I hope this will be very much helpful for you in your studies. Thank you so much for watching this video.